Very good morning and greetings from Ambika Prasad Research Foundation. Today we will discuss about minor food and less known medicinal plants. So now we will start minor food and less known medicinal plant. So these are the problems where it can be a panacea. Globally, 822 million people suffer from undernourishment, 74 million interstate migrant, 1.6 million death due to lack of medicines. So if we have an idea about less known medicinal plants and food species, we can reduce these problems. Minor food like fruits, flowers, leaves, tubers, seeds, stem, oil, ferns, wild grass, creeping vines, climbing plants, mushroom, faunal species, and creepers have been foraged and used by tribal communities all over India since time immemorial. Medicine like fruits, flower, leaves, tubers, seeds, stem, ferns, bark, gum, stone, faunal species, faunal oil, seed oil, aromatic oil, etc. And they can be a livelihood or they are livelihood of tribal communities which comes under a specific group that is non-timber forest producers. Traditional farming, fish, crab, meat, goat, milk, ghee, hen, sheep, duck, birds, insects, mushroom, agriculture, millet, seed oil, etc. So why we should know about the minor food, medicines and livelihood from plants and animals welfare? Because we don't need GMO, we don't need AMR, antimicrobial resistance. We don't need chemicals in our food. And we don't want to lose our biodiversity and rich indigenous traditional knowledge. So how to know them? From the tribals and nature. That is called indigenous tribal traditional knowledge. What is minor food? Completely organic, collected from wild, cultivated for very personal use, less population, used by a specific community, used in a specific landscape, used in a specific time. Nutritional analysis is not carried out properly, less idea about nutraceutical potential, less or no value addition, a traditional method of cooking. What is unexplored medicines? Less known plants having medicinal values. Traditional therapeutic values are not documented. Traditional therapeutic values are less documented or uses are extinct in a particular landscape. So this is the sustainability, social protection, climate change adaptations, disaster risk reduction. So for this, we have to know about ITK. These are the minor food. This is the red beaver ant. You can observe it is a minor food as well as less known medicine. So medicinal usage of red beaver ant you can observe rheumatism, high fever, asthma, blood pressure, cough and whooping cough and improve eyesight. Survey works in different areas of Odisha. You can observe the field survey, red beaver ant and developing stage. Future aspect of red beaver ant, GI tagging already offers GI tagging, value additions, branding, marketing strategy. In different market areas, you can observe the price. So it could be a livelihood. So 10 to 50 rupees. Okay. So most preferred plant species for making nest. So this is the Acacia orchiliformis, Annona reticulata, Annona squamata, Azotica indica, Bihunia purpurea, Butea monosperma, Capsicum anum, Casabel uh, cavitia, Cassia fistula, Cassia, Cassine glauca, Disperse melonxylem, Maduca longifolia, Mangifera indica, Soria robusta. Now some common leafy vegetables like Polygonum plebeium, Dentella repens, Bolivia diffusa, Centella asiatica. So you can observe distribution of family of wild leafy vegetables. So maximum 28% from Amaranthisi. Habit distribution of wild leafy vegetables, you can observe 60% are herbs, then trees and climbers. So these are some minor food having medicinal values like Alternanthera sessile, Amaranthus viridis, Amaranthus spinosa, Celosia argentea, Sinopodium album, Centella asiatica, Anhydra fluxans, Commonina bengalensis, Hypomia aquatica, Bihunia purpurea, Rotala rotundifolia, Azotica indica, Sesam pesperiara, Ficus religiosa, Moringa oleifera, Bodivia diffusa, Antidesma bunis, Polygonum plebeium, Dentella repens, Maina spinosa, and these are the mode of consumption, seasonal availability, edible parts you can observe, as well as also you can observe the habit. So this is the Maduka longifolia seed. So seed oil is used as a vegetable oil. You can observe that cooking process using the seed oil of Maduka longifolia. Diosporus malvarica. It is again a minor edible food. Symplogus cocasinensis variety, Lorina, a minor or less known medicinal plant. Indigofera cassoids, a nutraceutical, having food and medicinal values. And it is known in tribal areas, but less known in urban areas. So thank you very much.